it.
Feel inside.
Yes.
Pause for the boss. Pause for the
I
boys.
got fall off on a pause fall off
for the
on with the
boys.
house there because
Go and sing your own.
Pause for the boys.
At least.
Look at me.
At least
And
na
look
so-
at us.
na so Arisong this time.
All my bombers not.
Arisong was singing other people's songs before for live band. Yes, now.
So must you expose our song now?
No, it's not exposure. You didn't even talk for interviews. No, be secret.
Maybe everybody, I am not called right now to sing.
It was performing
you
live
can-
band
you
at
can
OJ's
continue.
restaurant.
can
I
just keep,
have groomed many people. I'm coaching them, and my own to do my hype. I hype, and I'm encouraging people like you to sing. You can go ahead and sing.
With this
You
voice.
that you cannot even dance to save your life.
Hey,
And they will
you-
laugh with you.
You know, see dance or dance?
Come on, go to the village dance.
Oh, that village dance where they dance, I be dance.
It's a
Shakara,
very
no
funny
talk of
leg.
dance. Oh.
It's a very funny leg.
You know
Shakara
how
cannot
dance
dance.
Shakara, my friend.
You know be dance, so Allah,
At
leave me lie.
all.
You know be dance.
Oh, now welcome, Jado. That
You're-
was in the
it's
show
just
with
like
the
comedy.
you. All the church things them name it is this show. Now we they call Bobos Yan.
Bobos
And I
Yan.
deal with my men them. I don't need too much introduction because I deal with the peace ambassador MC Shakra.
Yo, man.
And I
Yo,
also
man.
deal with the hype man extraordinaire.
Yes,
Showman
yes, yes.
Bosco.
But when you call Shakara a peace ambassador, is a problem now because Shakara's
don't ever get
his
out.
house is not at peace.
No, man,
peace.
It's
Yeah?
the Fuji
His
House
house
of
is at
Fuji
Commotion.
house, come on.
It's not like that. The Fuji House of Commotion.
Over your house, eh?
It's a Fuji, no, it's allowed once in a while like that.
You are the elder
know?
statesman, so you need to gather the.
You need to gather the people, the community.
See, at times, when you are at the verge of
When you're
leaving bachelor's wood,
I'm getting old,
you
brother.
understand? When you are at the verge of leaving bachelor's wood, there are things you need to explore. You know,
Eh?
you
try to bring the whole girls in the world together in one place.
Listen.
Okay.
What I did tactically, it's more of a bachelor's eve. You understand?
Bachelor's Eve.
No.
Now friends, they plan Bachelor's Eve for person.
No.
You never
So this one you plan
You never do engagement.
We never hear say
You
you
never do
engage
engagement. You
anybody.
don't do Bachelor's Eve.
I want to plan mine. I know I want to plan mine myself.
Why?
And I've done that. You don't even know if I've done traditional.
We don't know. Okay, that's why you dance like that. That day.
Yes, man.
And we never wear your abada.
Meanwhile, what happened? We hear all the lucky girls that you invited to come out could not,
Decided
did not
not to
make
come
it.
out.
But
Why?
the Sulere, Rita Lori girls were all over there. What happened?
All the Yanokpaja girls.
This is like 3 or 4 days after this party. I think we are done with it.
No,
So-
you know why I'm bringing it back?
What?
Because yesterday, I still reached your house and I discovered that your house was still full.
See, now my sister, they wait. My cousin.
Everybody
you
like
want to laugh at me?
Everybody like your cousin. Everybody is your cousin.
No mind
How
the
come?
Saturday.
Meanwhile, Shakara carry me enter in you know say I never go on, I only drive at the drive past. So I never really enter inside before. So I go see my enter. Now he called, he say, come and see, this is my, he first carried me go and this is my guest room. So I come feel, I see that guest room in a girl's room. Because the room na girls full inside first. He come go in the second room, say this is the boys' room. I see Jimmy this scene. But the people who are sitting inside, no one boy, na girls stay inside. I go in old stadium where be own bedroom. I see some other ones there. I don't see any guy. So
It's a party, a house party. People will come.
Okay, no, you mean girls, okay, so girls will come and full your room.
Agreed.
Without know that
You
Nigeria
do well,
you
you do well.
It was say you were
He
born
said
in
you
the
were
era,
born in Europe.
or you were born in the era of Solomon. You will have plenty
You will be
concubines.
worse than Solomon.
At least I'm born in the era of Two-Face. I still don't have plenty. So what are you talking about?
You be like say, the person name their
Now,
fighter.
this matter self, no matter what they talk about, it don't make me come matter what carry come OGs today. I beg you wait there for us as we dey talk this matter. Enter our social media, make yourself follow us talk. Our social media, they run through your screen. Follow us talk for Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, every. Make we say hear your own points. Now, men them. How long would I feel say man supposed to be on top woman?
I think it's a
When
part
you dey
two.
crank,
Is it
how
part
long?
two?
Is it part two?
Yeah. I won't more
Part
talk am
two.
again because
the
a lot
topic
of
sound familiar and remind me of a whole lot of things that went down.
On the part one?
Yes.
What happened at the part one, please?
Oh, it was very hilarious. So hilarious.
How did
And-
please
and-
give us a recap because I cannot remember anymore.
The cap. I cannot give you my cap.
I don't better talk for it. That's a new song where they play that skit. They gonna say at my cap release. Now they also say already. He say no at my Nokiri whatever cap release, the cap what you do.
Now really, you know say some women they like the idea where we say guy go correct them well and he go stay for a very long time. Now some women they like quickie things.
And I can tell you too that if I not even some majority of the women I know don't also like long sex. Long sex can be very boring.
No, let me tell you.
It now depends.
I'm discovering that
it depends on the guy.
If you have been a normal cranky, you have been in the act of cranky for a long time.
Do you know?
You will discover that cranky. That's why even you see most couples or most partners, they fit live together for like even maybe your girlfriend can't see you for 2 weeks. You might end up cranking only once.
See, do you know the mistake some guys do? If you want your girlfriend to praise you and really happy with you for very short sex, you know, many women they land before guys.
Of course.
Some,
Not many women land before guys though.
See, let me tell you.
Most guys, majority that guys they land before girls.
Oh, listen, now let me break it down to you.
Okay.
See, as soon as you just hit their G-spot like this, they go don't land, but because of you, they say this thing is just starting. Your mind they pay attention to.
So you think so you think they actually land?
Yeah, they land like 2-3 times safe. Do you understand?
It now depends.
It now depends on
you. It depends on you that you're the guy.
Now listen now. If you are sharp enough to catch her for that one where she won't sneak, she don't ready, mama. But then now you go come. They do that one. That point where we say they do. You come like say no lay, but you know say no lay you now.
But you know that when the woman don't come, she the most time they always want to do again.
No be that time. No be that time. See, let me tell you now. There's this type. As she don't come, that one na sneak. She don't want make you know.
Yes.
You understand? But if you sharp to know say this person land, if you land that time, at that point when she land, you say if you land, she go man, you're a man.
But the problem is that the problem about the landing is that about your own landing is that it depends on if you are using any helmet or any raincoat because it's sweeter we know that when she's coming, you are coming. But if you're coming, it's going to be you're coming inside of her. Then you have to hold your coming and allow her to finish her coming so that you can now decide you can come outside. Because I know what you are talking about is sweet.
Now,
come at the same time, but it's dangerous too.
Like this, the fact with me, I won't bring out and say, it depends on you when you be the guy. Your skills, your manly skills. Not be say you carry machine.
And that's where it goes to the point of giving a girl head, doing all the foreplay,
your skills is very, very important.
I
don't see person will be saying a quickie. And that quickie, everything they involved.
Now, if you ask me, everything if you ask me a question, if you ask me a question,
of that quickie, now to round them up, now for you, if you get that timing.
But a quickie, a quickie where you get the time to do all the other things?
Why don't you do the other things?
You never grab you for inside club or anywhere. I we are very here. My university days, we don't do inside club. We get on drag us, you understand? Say come here. You go
drag us or drag you.
Drag you.
No, I'm talking about people.
No, talk about yourself.
Drag us, you understand? Into the bathroom, and you know that it's a general club bathroom that you don't have time to wait. You have to be very up. So when you have time to do all those nonsense, you must just. And that's when I know that most ladies.
You say, sorry, you know, say this our sitting here. Sometimes some people they pick key.
A lot of time.
One key lesson I want to make some pick here because this toilet is we mentioned now. Those days, the level of cameras and all those things, today, like now. Now I see one video like last week. The guy JJJ enter toilet of somewhere, maybe in a club, or in a E3, or in a waiting. Him and the girl, they enjoy. They say, don't say hidden camera they there.
But why do we put camera inside toilet?
Maybe not somebody.
Why?
It might not. No, be that one.
Maybe they do it for him.
Maybe
it was planted for him.
You understand?
Or maybe it's not set up.
Not set up. So when I just want to drive, they say we need to be careful with this kind of wrong venue there.
But a couple of times. So the problem, see, the truth is that we know say most times guys have to be guys, and it's also very, very hard for a guy to turn down a girl's advanced advances or advancement because you talk like that and say, okay, may you guys be very careful. I can remember those days when somebody, even tonight, if a girl, you see a fine girl, you don't know. Like your party, you understand? I had a couple of girls have come in, excuse me. I had a couple of girls that were looking at me. I had a couple of guys that were running into your bathroom and your bedroom up and down, locking doors.
Which locking?
They're locking doors up and down.
So you will be saying you did the party, they ask every girl say you love her and won't marry her. You know how many girls you proposed to?
Did I?
Yes, now.
Did I? How many?
You say you don't waste your time with all these guys. That means you are for real. Any girl will tell you don't waste your time with all these guys. They'll just crack you and leave you.
No, so I'm angry.
That means you.
It's my year of telling ladies the truth. Most guys are there just to get into your pants. And my job this year, I've told you I'm called for the less privileged, the single women, the divorcee. So I will correct any girl that you want to spoil. It's not as if I want anything. I might call you because
Come and go for street.
If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.